Hi guys, another week has gone by. Welcome back. This week I've learned a few things and I wanted to share them with you. I've also made a decision based on filming my last video. The thing was, we went out to Fundy National Park and we went for a hike in the woods and went to a waterfall, and it was really cool. And there'll be a link in the description below so that you can check that out. I hope you do, and I hope you enjoy it. Now the thing was, I didn't handheld my phone because, as you know, I'm doing this with my iPhone at this point. I used this little thing that came with the ring light that I'm using in front of me here. And it's a nifty little rig. It can be a tripod, it can be, see, there's your tripod, and it can also close up and you can actually film with it. It's actually kind of cool. But there was still some shake and I still didn't get that smooth transition that I wanted to. Now, last time I was talking about maybe comparing the Osmo 2 from DJI and the Zhiyun or however you want to say it, Smooth 4. I do believe that I've made the decision that I'm going to go with the Zhiyun 4, the Smooth 4, because just some of the stuff I've been reading, the reviews I've been watching on YouTube, the fact now that you can actually use Filmic Pro with it, I think I'm actually going to go with that. So I'm probably going to order that from Amazon this week. And well, when it does arrive, you'll maybe get an unboxing video from me. Maybe once I figure out how to use all the bells and whistles on it, you may actually get to see a review video from me. And if you want to see those, you want to check those out and see my excitement when I get something new, you just hit the subscribe button below or over here in the corner and click the bell, and then you'll be notified so that you'll know when I actually post something new or I post that review or unboxing or whatever the case may be. Now, another thing that I was trying to do with the last video, and you may notice it, you may not, is I was trying to shoot some B-roll. And what B-roll is it's just those transitions, for those that don't know. It's just those transitions between the scenes that, I'm gonna put this down, the scenes that you actually want to have in the actual film that you're making. So I tried to film a little bit of B-roll in the last video. See if you notice it. And if you do, if you notice the B-roll, let me know. And I've been trying to film a little bit of B-roll here and there every time I actually pick up my phone or put it in that holder, like I said, and to see if I can get better doing the B-roll, and then I'll have more transitions, nice flow in my films that I'm making. Also, I said last week that I was going to look more into analytics. I have looked a little bit more into it. One thing, if you're just starting out like I am, and you know, I've got a whole 4 subscribers. Thank you very much, 4 people. I hope that will grow soon. I welcome you and I thank you for having faith in me, all 4 of you. What I was going to say is, if you're just starting out like me, don't stare at your analytics or you will go absolutely crazy. You'll go bonkers. I've been staring at it all week. I've been waiting for something to change, you know, so I've been trying now to look once a day and see if anything's updated. Well, maybe more than once a day. A few times, but it's tough. So I'll have more updates and hopefully more subscribers in the next video on analytics. I'm going to keep updating with that. I've tied it in with Google Analytics. I've tied it in with obviously the basic YouTube analytics. I signed up for vidIQ. I haven't got a subscription for vidIQ because obviously I want to see if this thing grows a little bit more before I actually start spending money to subscribe to things like that. And maybe there will be more updates on that when I make the next video like this. And basically that's all I've got for today. Stay tuned for the arrival of the new gimbal, and and then the video after that. But we'll definitely have an unboxing, and we'll look it all over and check it out. And I thank you for joining us. Again, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you get notified when my next video comes up. And I thank you for joining me once again, and we'll see you next time.